changes in your mind.
Hello beauties, welcome to Winnie Styles. Today we have this beautiful short natural haircut that is perfect for every hair type. This is a cut, that is for every face shape. This short natural haircut have always been a symbol of boldness and confidence, and this style exudes that sense of liberation and chic elegance that few other styles can match. So I want to ask a question like, are you really considering a dramatic transformation, or you are looking to refine your current short natural haircut? I just want to let you know that you are in the right place, because here in Winnie Styles, short natural haircut lives here, and we are here to bring the best of short natural haircut to you. If it's the first time here in Winnie Styles, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. So today's haircut is a style that will really inspire you. So whether you have the thick hair, whether you have the curly hair, these are haircut that is perfect and good for you, because it will definitely take many years of your age. And you can see how the style is just so classy, the style is timeless, it's chic, and this particular haircut features those close crop size and back that are slightly longer hair on the top, and the two sides are shorter, and it's a style that is perfect for women who really want a low maintenance yet stylish look. Take a good look on this beautiful haircut. Is this style not a haircut that will suit all face shape? You can just imagine yourself on this beautiful haircut and imagine how it will look, even if you have the oval face or you have the round face or any kind of shape face shape. This particular style will fit your face, even if you have a fine hair, or any kind of texture of hair. This is an ideal haircut for beautiful women who really want a sophisticated, age-appropriate style. So with this in mind, please make sure to watch the video to the end. Don't forget to hit the like button and hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. I just want to appreciate my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. God bless you guys. Stay love to Winnie Styles for more beautiful short natural haircuts coming your way in the next few hours.
According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist, though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist, though. It can never ever exist, though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist, though. It can never ever exist, though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is possible without God? You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It does. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God.